Poco F6 Pro is launching in just 4 days on 23rd of May. We have already seen the renders and leaks of this phone, but today we have the full unboxing video. Someone uploaded the video on internet and it still is there. Let's get into it. As you can see, the typical box of Poco series here. First of all, the phone comes at the top. After that, we are having 120 watts of fast charger and a cable in here. The phone itself confirms pretty much specs of it, but first of all, let's take a look at the rear side of phone. From the rear side, the Poco F6 Pro is exactly same as the Redmi K70. We can say it's a rebranded version of Redmi K70 for international markets. There are 3 camera sensors at the rear side of phone along with LED flashlight. And next to the cameras it says Poco. There is a 50 megapixels main sensor, 8 megapixels ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixels macro lens. Design from sides is a bit boxy as we have seen on every other phone nowadays originally initiated by Apple. Right side have volume and power keys, top side have some sensors and bottom side have speakers, Type-C charging port and SIM tray. Talking about the front of the phone, then it is a 1440p OLED display of 6.67 inches with 120Hz refresh rate along with the center punch hole selfie shooter. Poco F6 Pro comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor which is obvious for such flagship. This phone is having Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and equips a huge 5000 mAh of battery. And for the colors, as you can see, there would be 4 different colors: purple, silver, black and green. That's all for the Poco F6 Pro. Stay tuned for such leaks and updates and I'll see you in the next one.